Hi everyone! Today, I will share what you will need to start a YouTube channel with a low budget, and I will also unbox my new microphone and selfie stick tripod. Let's get started! First, you will need an Android phone or an iPhone. I'm currently using my Samsung Galaxy to make video. Next, I recently purchased a wireless microphone and a selfie stick tripod for less than $50. Let's unbox the wireless microphone. We have the two mic. And let's see what this one is. Okay. And then a cable. So basically, you have to plug in this one to your phone. And the mic, you just attach it to you. That's pretty simple. Closer look of what it looks like. This costs less than $20 and you can purchase it from Amazon. Next, let's unbox the wireless selfie and tripod. This is how it looks like. And it has a remote. Open this up. Extend it. Okay. This is how it looks like. And then this is the remote control. You can make a video like this. Or if you want, you can carry it around too. This costs less than $30 and you can purchase it from Amazon. These are the 3 things you need to make a video as a starter. This is how it looks like when I'm outside recording with my selfie stick. What do you think? Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like and see you in the next video. Bye!